it once again.
Hi guys, today we're gonna paint this hand is nails. Look at the nails. And I got this blue nail polish. And let's get started. Okay. Can you please open this for me, Mommy? Because it's so hard. It hurts my hand. I just say hand like this hand. Big hand, giant. And my mommy showed me how to play with it. My mommy showed me how to paint the hand with nails. Okay, let's get started. Just gotta do a little bit of stuff. This is so slowly. Why did I really do that? That it is not. I get it. It's not working. Mommy! Di ba galing ba? Không được à Mommy. Let's go, look at it. All done. I just don't want it to be so stat straight. Not gonna see the hand because it's so surprised. Ah! Look at this. That's how it looks, and then my little fences.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for